Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to make email field required in Salesforce, and we are going to discuss this topic in both the edition in Salesforce Lightning as well as Classic. So before that, here we would like to inform you that we have recently launched a Salesforce course especially for a Salesforce administrator. Even if you are a beginner, then you will easily understand the topics and the content of the course. And here also a limited time offer of 50% discount for the early birds. And you will also get the lifetime access of the course, and you can buy this course through the link that we are mentioned in the description box. This Salesforce admin training course is from the beginner to advanced level and also have 9 plus modules with a real business scenarios and have a 21 plus hour of HD videos, and we also provide a course material like PDFs and solutions and one-to-one doubt clear and interview preparation session. The certification of the completion we also provide to you, and the internship and the placement opportunities. So you can subscribe this course and learn a lot about this Salesforce administrator course. So let's move ahead and jump to our topic. So this is my Salesforce Lightning org, and here we want to learn about how to make email field required in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon we can see the setup option is present. Click on this setup option. Our setup page is open, and under this setup page we can see object manager tab is present on the navbar. So we click on this object manager tab, and our object manager page is open. Under this page we can see lots of objects are present, and here we want to select the customer object, so that's why we enter the customer in the search box and click on the customer object, that is a custom object. Our customer page is open, and under this page we can see the detail related to the customers, and here we can see under the detail section there is a field and relationship option present. Click on this field and relationship option, and our field and relationship page is open, and under this page here we can see lots of fields are already created, and here we want to select the email field, that is a customer email, and we make this field required, so that's why we click on this customer email field, and our customer email page is open, and here we can see the field information related to the customer email, and we want to edit this page because we want to make this field required, so that's why we click on the edit button, and our customer email feed comes into the edit mode, and then we scroll to the bottom of the page, and here we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we can see a required checkbox is present, which always required a value in this field in order to save a record. So that's why we click on the required checkbox, and after required this field we click on the save button, and here we can see our customer field, our customer email field is now required. Now click on the app launcher and enter the sales in the search box, and click on the sales option. Our sales page is open. Now here we click on the more drop down arrow and select the customer object. So hit the customer object, and here we can see record page is open but no record is created, so we want to create a new record, so we hit the new button. Now our you can now we can see that our new customer dialog box is open. Now enter the customer name here, and here we enter the customer name as John, and then enter the customer email. If we do not enter the customer email and hit the save button, it show the error. Review the following email, and here we can see this show complete this field. and because this field is a required field. After entering the email and hit the save button, we can see our customer John was created successfully. So this is how we make our email field required. So now move ahead and discuss about how to make email field required in Salesforce Classic. So for this, we firstly click on the profile picture and then select the switch to Salesforce Classic option, and our Classic version is open. Now click on the setup option and our setup page is open. Now enter the object in the quick find box and then click on the drop down arrow and select the objects. Our custom objects page is open. Now select the applicant. Our custom object applicant page is open and here we can see the detail related to the applicant. Now scroll to the bottom and here we can see there is a custom fields and relationship section present, and under this section we can see there is an applicant email with the email data type field is present, and we select this field because we want to make this email field required, so that's why we click on this applicant email and our applicant email page is open. Now we want to edit this field because we want to make this field required. That's why we click on the edit button and our applicant email custom fields comes into the edit mode, and here we want to edit anything, and here we scroll to the bottom and we can see there is a general option section present, and under this section we see there is a required checkbox present which always required a value in this field in order to save a record. So we want to make this field required, so that's why we click on the required checkbox and a warning message pop up: potential integration impact. This making the field required may break existing API or Apex requests that do not supply a value for this field. Read this message carefully and then hit the confirm button. And you can see our required checkbox is checked and then hit the save button. And we come back to our applicant custom field page, and when we scroll to the bottom under the general option section we can see our required checkboxes enable now. Now scroll up and click on the plus icon, and here we can see our all tabs are open. Now select the applicants and here we see our applicant record page is open. Now click on the new button to create a new record, and here we enter the applicant name, and here we can see our applicant email field is shown, but but for now we did not add any email to this field, and hit the save button, and you can see this show the error: you must enter a value inside this field because this field is a required. So enter the value. After entering the value, hit the save button, and you can see our applicant Lisa record is created because we enter the email inside the applicant email field. We show that this is how we make our email field required. So with this, we have learned how to make a email field required in Salesforce. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button and also subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.